Lady. Hello, excuse me? Dairon. Hi, how how can I help you? Lady. I am new is in this city. Is there a bank near here? Dairon. Yes, there is a bank near here. It is next to the supermarket. Lady. Great. How how can I head there? Dairon. Go straight for to block, then turn right. Dairon. The bank is on the corner next to the supermarket. Lady. Thank you. And is the restaurant near the bank? Dairon. Yes, there is a restaurant. It is opposite the bank. Lady. Perfect. Is there park is this area? Dairon. Yes, there is a park behind the restaurant. Lady. Nice, nice. Are there many stores near the park? Dairon. Yes, yes. There are many stores and a lot uh, of of people there. Lady, thank you very much for your help. Dairon, you're you're welcome. Welcome. Enjoy uh, enjoy your visit. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye.